Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research has received an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the detailed review of the BTech program offered here, starting with the placements rated 4 stars. According to the 2025 NIRF report, 931 students graduated from the UG 4-year program in 2023-24. Of these, 574 secured jobs, while 148 pursued higher studies. The placement rate in 2024 stood at 62%, showing a consistent increase over the past 3 years. AITR's 2024 placements saw participation from recruiters such as Capgemini, Amazon, Cognizant, and HCL, offering roles such as web developer, software developer, business developer, project manager, and business system analyst. The highest package in 2024 was 12.5 lakh per annum, with a median of 4.5 lakh per annum, marking an increase of 12.5% compared to previous year. When compared to other institutions, Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research is on par with Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research regarding median salary. Now let's talk about the BTech program, which holds a rating of 3.9 stars. AITR offers 12 BTech specializations, including CSE, IT, Civil, Electronics and Communication, and Mechanical, with others. Intake is 1,080, and eligibility for admission requires 45% in 10+2 based on JEE Main, MPPET, and MPBE. The program fee for the 4-year program ranges from 1.5 lakh rupees to 2.4 lakh rupees. Moving on now to the 3.8 star rated infrastructure. AITR has campus area of 11.47 acres. The institute has spacious classrooms, seminar halls, and a 250 seating auditorium. Its library contains over 55,000 resources. The computer lab features 450 computers. Civil engineering labs offer testing and consultancy. The EduSat ISRO lab provides online lectures, and English language labs improves communication skills. The hostels provide common room, mess, and internet services. The canteen ensures hygienic meals and menu variety. Sports facilities are also provided, including hockey, football, cricket, basketball, and indoor games like chess and table tennis. Turning our attention to faculty and course with a 3.9 star rating. MOUs were signed with VLSI Society of India to advance VLSI and semiconductor education, and with Cyber Secured India to establish a Center of Excellence and Internship program in cybersecurity. On to the campus life now, rated 3.9 stars. The institute hosts key events like Ardor, a cultural festival with various competitions, and Armageddon, a technical fest with activities like RoboWar, Enigma, that is a national management fest showcasing talent. Lastly, AITI is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. Download the Shiksha.com app for more.